Welcome. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of SEO to explain a powerful strategy, content clusters. If you're looking to boost your search engine rankings and organize your website content effectively, understanding content clusters is essential. So what exactly are content clusters? They are a strategic way of organizing your website content around a single, broad topic. Content clusters are crucial for modern SEO because they demonstrate topical authority to search engines, helping you rank for competitive keywords. The foundation of a content cluster is the pillar content. Let's explore what this entails. A pillar page is a comprehensive, high-level piece of content that addresses a broad topic, serving as the main hub for your cluster. Effective pillar content is extensive, covering all major aspects of the topic and acting as the central navigation point for detailed subtopics. Next, we have the cluster content, which supports the pillar page. Cluster content consists of individual, more focused articles or pages that explore specific subtopics in depth, targeting long-tail keywords related to the main pillar. A critical rule is that every piece of cluster content must link back to the pillar page, reinforcing the relationship between the broad topic and its detailed components. The linking structure is where the magic happens, strengthening the content cluster. Internal hyperlinks within the cluster structure tell search engines about the relatedness of your content, boosting your site's overall topical relevance. This organized structure not only helps search engines, but also provides a better user experience, making it easy for visitors to find related information and spend more time on your site. Content clusters offer several significant benefits for your digital marketing strategy. By demonstrating deep topical authority, content clusters lead to improved search engine rankings for both the pillar page and the cluster content. When content is well organized, users enjoy a better experience, which can lead to increased time on site, lower bounce rates, and higher engagement. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways of implementing content clusters. Remember the three core elements: the broad pillar page, the specific cluster content, and the crucial internal linking strategy that ties them together. Start identifying your pillar topics, map out your cluster content, and implement this powerful SEO strategy on your site today.